First, cross the 2 base bars. Secure them in place with the shortest wooden dowel. Cross the 2 arms of the swift over the base and onto the wooden dowel. Based on the size of your hank, position these 4 dowels on the arms of the swift. Any size hank will fit on the swift by just simply adjusting the dowels. Swing the yarn guide out from its original position and click it in place behind the raised notch found on the bottom of the ball winder. Place the bobbin on the ball winder by aligning its ridges to the grooves on the base. To secure the bobbin, turn it counterclockwise until it will no longer budge. And that concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching.